What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Short Flames, and we're back with another video, day 2 of Puerto Galera. And for my intro, I'm not alone. The one, the
What up,
only.
what up, what up, what up? It's your boy.
yes. So this is like day 2 of is it PG? Yes, they call it PG apparently. Yeah, and today when I'll be doing crazy activities. It's not just the beach. When I go snorkeling, and probably we wanted to do paintballing, but the girls, it's tough. They just say no, they don't want it, it's too painful. But then I know they want to do some activities, maybe 2 or 3. We'll see. But anyways, before we enter into day 2 of PG, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, see you as you go through the day.
Let's get the video to 8,000 likes.
You see, that's the vision. That's what I like. 8,000 likes.
So let's go crazy.
Yeah.
So yo,
yeah. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Everyone just wants to say hi to the vlog now. Yeah. So first things first. When you're on vacation, before you eat breakfast, go around and see nature. Go to the beach, touch water, be one with nature. See, this is how we do it in this life. But anyways, I'll see you all in a minute. I won't be able to take during breakfast because I'll be eating, and me, I love food. You know, we love food. Yes. So now we're done preparing, we're going to snorkeling. We're going for snorkeling, right? Is it 2 or 4? Whatever, same difference. Tomato, potato, potato, whatever. So we're going for snorkeling around, and then we continue with the day, continue with the activities for the day. You know, that's the boom. Funny enough, no one has used the pool yet because we've been busy, booked and busy, up and down. By the way, see you snorkeling. As the guys are waiting for the girls. Literally, we've been waiting for the girls, and they're gonna take their own time. The van is here, and we still wait. Life of being a guy. How my bitch? The van is here. We're waiting for them, and then we can go. We've arrived.
We're living on things here.
Okay, so we've arrived at snorkeling. How are you feeling? You're about to be inside water.
Seeing fishes there.
Seeing fishes, but
it's cold.
You don't care about the weather, right? Nah, nothing can stop us. Even if it rains, it's fine, right? You think?
I will manage.
You'll manage. Miss Prue, how are you?
I'm good.
How are you feeling?
I'm excited.
To see fish.
Yes. Whatever is down there, honestly.
I heard that there are sharks. Jared,
You watched a shark movie?
Jared, there's a shark movie. Remember that shark movie? It's there.
Remember that shark
Remember that shark movie? You better run. I know he's already stressed.
I don't remember.
I don't remember the
Take off my hoodie.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't have to happen in the vlog.
Yeah.
You're gonna take your
We are going to swim with fish and sharks and whatever. So yeah,
Yeah, I'm taking my
You'll-
phone, at least for pictures and stuff.
you'll all see this underwater. Yes. I don't know how I'll bring you all underwater, but yeah, we'll all go together.
What am I taking on?
Find a way. Yes. So I found a way to bring you all along. We're going underwater. How you feel? Good. Yes. And then you post for a picture. I would like us to meet our sponsor for today. This video will not happen without our sponsor. Not you. Yes, Anu. Aren't you scared?
No, today I'm not doing scared. But today it's confidence.
Confidence always. Be underwater. Yes, top. Yes, top. Let's go.
Underwater cave. Under the water. So we have to hold up.
Nothing.
Excuse me.
Huh?
What if it just goes?
Boing. Oh, go together. It's fine. We're all going together. This thing is just when you step, some of them are just going down.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. What if it goes down, down, down?
No stones on. This thing is floating. Yes, Anu, how are we feeling? Yes. How are we? Take me there. Yes, guys. So we're going. You just be
Welcome.
tight. You're not tight in it. Guys, we're going snorkeling. We're gonna become. I feel like I'm a bulletproof vest or something. Yes, how are we feeling, guys?
So that's why you said we're so excited. We're excited, right?
I'm excited. I wanna go
I
down.
want to see what's going on. Mixed emotions. I want to see what's going on there.
I also wanna see, like,
In the other world.
yes, we're going down inside. Pagati inside. Yes, let's go. Let me go, Sha. Shame. Woo!
So it's just up to you guys how much you give to your tour guide, just like a consideration or a tip. Okay? Clear? Okay, but before you enter the cave, you just first rent a helmet, which is 50 pesos per head. Okay, it's here for safety because when you enter the cave,
Yeah. Let's go. 1 by 1, 2 by 2.
Wait,
Chasha,
and no, we need a strategy.
Chasha, look where I am. I'm not holding anyway, so if you push me, I'm gone. How are you feeling, Tapa? You're just chilling in the sunglasses. Yes, my pigs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we're doing underwater thing.
Mm.
These are not normal things.
I know Tiraish. Are you terrified?
I don't like
Yes, Shash. How are we?
Me, I'm fine.
You sure?
Yes, there are 2 bodyguards. Me, I'm fine, whether I fall or not.
One man for himself. Bella is under Paris. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Yes, guys. Let's. Yeah, how we doing, guys? Yeah. Yeah. It's the way. Yes,
Oh, video.
Why we need to go to the
Yes. That's why you need a helmet. sir. So we just finished snorkeling. Yes, that's a hell of an experience. But like, yo, by the way, I'm so tired. It's crazy. Like, I need to come here, and like, we all forgot our combs and stuff. But anyways, yeah, that was, as you saw in the videos, it was crazy experience. Got to see all the animals that live on the water and stuff like that. And the cave. What else are not doing in the cave? Like,
What's next?
we will not understand. There is Aquaman's cousin. This one, from boat to boat, you are just traveling. Had a life with.
I met Aquaman, by the way. I said hi to Aquaman.
The one and only. Yes. So, talk to us. Say something.
So yeah, we just finished snorkeling. It was good. As Squeezy was saying, or Timothy was saying, Anna was doing some funny things in that.
Don't I see? Don't I see the show already in the video? I don't like.
Please, if you see the video, please just comment down.
Comment.
What is happening?
Yo, but anyways, now we're going. I think we're going to get food because the time now is almost 2. Yeah, we go to around like 11, right? 11 to 11 somewhere. Going to eat. And after eating, we're going to go karting. Going to race, go karting, and probably go home after it. So, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment, you share, and you subscribe. This one is just so it's burning me, but I need it because if I face this way, it's dark. So yeah, peace. So we've arrived. Extreme Sports. First we're going for ATV. We're going for the ATV ride first. So it's 3 laps of ATV, then 10 laps of go-kart. That's all we're doing today. They wanted me to do paintballing, but I'm like, nah. Because I feel like paintballing will kill me. I'm not built for that. So I'm just doing 2.
Hi guys, welcome to Timothy's channel. Please do subscribe. Subscribe.
And
After
like,
watching this whole vlog, there's no ways you do not subscribe.
I'm tired, my eyes are red.
You see, he's doing all of this for you guys. Imagine. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Please give him more than 50 subscribers. And if he reaches 50 subscribers, yeah, that will be fine. He will owe me iPhone. Bye.
Umoya uchambile izwa imisindo yolwandle sikhohlwe izinkinga sibonge impilo sikhohlwe izinkinga sibonge impilo sithokozile sijabulile sithokozile sibonge impilo sithokozile sijabulile sithokozile
So just from doing ATV and I'm dirty. I don't know how's ATV. Not good. But you're not dead. And you're leading. You're the one that was making us slow. You're leading us. You're the one that was making us very slow.
You should ask the person was there because we know us not even slow.
Yeah. Now it's time for this. This one there's no mercy. Ha. But anyways, now it's time go karting. And there's no mercy for this one. We're just gonna go straight up, bump people, pass people. Because I'm very sorry. This is the last game. Done. Ado. Ado, slow down. Park. Parking, straight. So yeah, this marks the end of the day. Thank you for watching the vlog. Don't forget to like, to comment, and share, and subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel. Yes, you, the one who's watching until this far. Subscribe
Yes.
to the channel.
So yeah, peace. I'm out. I'm about to take a small nap before everyone else comes and we go and eat. Yeah.